Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Can you say number 1? Pepper shaker. We use this when we are eating. Number 2, to do something quietly. Correct. This means without any noise. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The pepper shaker is on the left. The pepper shaker is on the left. Pepper shaker. It is on the left. It is a small container with holes on top and pepper inside. Now we can make a flashcard for pepper shaker. Please write pepper shaker up here in the top left corner. 2 words. Down here in the bottom left corner, KIT 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 32 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Pe, per, shay, ker, pepper shaker. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The cat is walking quietly. The cat is walking quietly. Quietly. It is not making any noise. We cannot hear anything. Now we can make a flashcard for to do something quietly. Please make a card like this. Write to do something quietly up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here in this corner, the number 28 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Quai. At. Li. Quietly. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned pepper shaker on the dinner table beside the salt shaker. Correct. And do you study quietly? Yes, I do. Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, address. This is where you live, your address. Number 2, we wear on our feet sandals with an L in the summertime. Number 3, can you say it? To adjust the volume. If you are new, we learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, May 19th. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.